Hey guys, good afternoon. It's Tony. So this is gonna be my first video on crypto in a while. But if you guys want to see if you guys want to see my levels, here they are. Right. I usually just kind of like, I don't want to do like a full TA on Bitcoin just because I'm like I don't want to do this all over again. But here are the levels that you guys want to watch. As of right now, there's like a 90% chance we go to 42,179. That's gonna be the next weekly level, right? And usually, how I tell you guys, I like when we have these breaks in weekly levels to the upside, towards the upside, right? At least a clear daily, right? A clear daily candle closing above or below specific resistance, right? So again, you push right above, right, that weekly resistance, huge candle, right, and it basically guaranteed 30,904. And again, see, you have these like small closes over, not huge closes over, but you have those closes over, right, and then you have a huge break towards the upside on this 39 resistance. And again, same thing just happened, right? So no actual closes over until right here, right, and then we have this nice actual bull candle closing above. So as of right now, there's like a 90% chance we're probably going to like 42,151, 42,17979, right? So I definitely, if you guys want to be, you could definitely retrace, right? I mean, you can like retrace here and shoot up, or you can like retrace down like this, something like that, right? But ultimately, I think either way, eventually we're headed back towards like a 42,179. I think there's like a 90% chance that we actually like hit that level. It could take a day, it could take a week, 2 weeks, maybe another month, but we already broke that level, right? You broke that weekly resistance at 37,473, full daily candle right here, right? Full daily bullish candle. So ultimately, again, this is for the most part headed to 42,152, and I'm 90% sure that's gonna happen. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.